Welcome guys to a new series on my channel. This is the Great Western Railway, where I will be visiting every station on the Great Western Mainline from Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington. It's sort of similar to my tour of the Southwest series, which I have also running alongside this. So yeah, today we're starting at Bristol Temple Meads. The first train of the video will not be the 11:41 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester. It'll be the 11:30 Great Western Railway service, which I just filmed for with two Class 43s, which I had to run off the train to go and film. I filmed at Bristol Temple Meads before. I really enjoyed it, and I really love it as a terminus itself. The station is just incredible. So yeah, let's see what else is here to turn up, and I hope you enjoy the video, guys. See what else will turn up here at Bristol Temple Meads. That was 43092 on the route. On the 11:30 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Bristol Temple Meads. Arriving in now is the 11:44 cross-country service to Plymouth, which is 2:20.001. Arriving in 8 minutes early. Arriving in now is another 800 028. Which is terminating in from London Paddington. And also 800 021. It's a rather cold day in Bristol here today. You should also be seeing the Gloucester to Weymouth service arriving anytime soon, probably formed of a 166. Arriving here on platform 9. Well, so yeah, we'll see that as when it arrives. Arriving in now is the 11:49 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Weymouth, and I was right, formed a 166-206. Next station for this service will be Keynsham. Or Keynsham. That'll be sat here for about 10 minutes. The 11:41 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester from Weymouth via Bristol Parkway is now ready, formed 166-220. Arriving in now is the 47 terminating GWR service from Avonmouth via Clifton Down. This is the shuttle service which is being run. Well, I say shuttle service, it's a regular service, it just comes Avonmouth and back. Formed of 166214. One 5266 making quite an entrance there on the service from Weston-super-Mare to Bristol Parkway.
Bridgewater and
this is the
Taunton.
1154.
This train has 2 coaches.
1154 Great Western Railway service to Taunton, formed of 165131, pulling at Nelson Backwell, Yatton, Whirl, Weston-super-Mare. I think I'm forgetting a couple. One 5266 is now ready to depart on the service to Bristol Parkway from Weston-super-Mare. Behind me we also have a 150 arriving in. Not quite sure where from. Oh, actually I do know where it's from. It's from Portsmouth Harbour on the service to Cardiff Central. Whilst we are watching 15266 leave, I would just like to apologise for all the HST fans out there, as this episode will be full of sprinters and pacers. Actually no, not really pacers, just sprinters. As there's only going to be one HST featured in the video, which is a bit of a letdown. But anyone who loves sprinters, loving it. Right, we also have 166206 on the service to Weymouth departing now. And also turbo stars. Or turbos.
Customers are required to follow buggies and prams before boarding trains.
Once again guys, if you are enjoying the series and like the concept, drop a like on the video, it'd be really appreciated, and subscribe, as I'm aiming to try and get 300 subscribers in the near future. Right guys, this is where I'm going to be ending my video here at Bristol Temple Meads. If you have enjoyed the video, like I literally just said, please like and subscribe and comment down below for any videos and suggestions for the future. And yeah, like I said, 300 subscribers is the goal. not far from getting there. I think we're on like 280 now. So yeah, thanks for watching my videos. Just like, subscribe, and have a nice rest of your day.